the DeLonghi milk frother with hot and cold function. Now this is a higher end milk frother, not one of those cheap battery operated handheld frothers. It works on a cord, and the design of this frother is really well. If you're in the market for a milk frother, this is a good one to get. It uses this innovative invention as kind of a magnet center attachment in the center that contraption. It rotates, it vibrates when it's on. I'll show you how it works. It's got some marks inside. This is the one to get. It's not. You can make with it hot chocolate. Which is what I'm going to do now. Easy to clean. It has a non-stick bottom. Just non-stick coating inside. It's just one function. Two functions. It can make hot froth or cold froth. So you can heat milk with it. You know, if, like I said, if you like a milk frother, this is as good I want to get as any. As you can see, it's the volume of the liquid is increasing rapidly. I might have put a little too much, but it makes quick hot milk, quick hot chocolate. So this is something you might want if you're into this.